Good morning, children. How are you all? I am Asha, your EVS teacher from Dr. Besant English Medium School. Children, in the last video, what we discussed about? What is our lesson name? Keeping yourself clean and healthy. Our lesson name is Keeping yourself clean and healthy. Yes, in this lesson, teaching part is finished. Now today we are going to start our Little Thinker part. Children, please go and bring your Little Thinker books, pencil, sharpener, eraser, everything. Right? Yes. So, how to keep yourself clean and healthy, right? Yes. Open page number in your Little Thinker book. Open page number 86. Open page number 86. Here it is. Lesson 11. Keeping yourself clean and healthy, right? Yes. What he gave first? Put a tick for clean habits and a cross for unclean habits. What you have to do here is we have to put a tick mark for the clean habits and we have to cross for the unclean habits. So here he gave some pictures. To those pictures we have to keep a tick mark and cross mark. I will write here what is that picture. See children. Observe the first picture. What is that boy is doing there? Yes, he is bathing. He is bathing. So, is it good habit or bad habit? First picture is bathing. Tell me children, is it good or bad? Here he gave a box like this. Right. What you have to do? For clean habits, you have to keep a tick mark. Is it good habit, clean habit or unclean habit? Bathing is a clean habit. So, we can tick here. Bathing, cleaning a kadama habit. It is cleaning habit. So, we can keep a tick mark here. Next. Here. A girl is there. What she is doing? What she is doing? Brushing. What she is doing? Brushing. Yes, brush is there. Yeah, and she is in the washroom. She is brushing. So, second picture is brushing. So, clean habit or unclean habit? Here he gave a box. Clean habit or unclean habit? Brushing. Clean habit. So, again we can tick here. Right children? Next. Third picture. Yes, see the third picture children. Is it clean habit? What is that girl is doing there? She is eating. There is not at all clean. She is spilling the food outside, right? And what she is doing there? See how clumsy it is. A picture lo chudandamma papa ela undi? Clumsy ga mottam kindana jallesi inka hands mottam chala dirty ga undi kada? She is not at all clean. So what you have to do? Eating badly. Eating badly, right? So what you have to do? Is it good? No. We have to cross here. Cross it children. Cross it fast. Yes. Next, fourth picture. What is that fourth picture? Yes, what that boy is doing there? He is eating biscuits near toilet, using the toilet, and without washing the hands. Without washing the hands, he is eating. So is it good? See there. So what you have to do? Fourth one is eating with dirty or unclean hands. So eating with unclean hands. Is it good? No. It is unclean habit. So we have to cross there. He is using the toilets without cleaning his hands. He is eating. Next. Fifth picture. See the picture and tell me what that girl is doing there, children. She is sleeping. At what time? See there. Here clock is there. Yes. And what is the time here in this watch? 7:10. Here sun is there. Right? In the window you can observe the sun. In the window you can observe the sun. And so what is the time? 7:10. And how she slept? With dirty dress. She slept with dirty dress which is there. Like this we have to sleep? No. So it is a bad habit. Early in the morning we have to wake up, right? So cross here. So fifth picture, she is cross here. What she is doing here? Sleeping with dirty dress. Sleeping with dirty, clean habit or unclean habit? Unclean habit. Unclean habit, and we have to sleep early and we have to wake up early. Unclean habit it is. So cross it there. Next. Two more pictures are there here. Sneezing. Sneezing. Both are bad habits only. Both sneezings are not at all good. Both are sneezing in the air without covering anything. See here, this boy is also sneezing down without covering anything, and this girl is also coughing or something, yes, coughing without covering her mouth. So both are unclean habits only. I already told you, children, we should sneeze by covering with a tissue or handkerchief, or at least if those are not available, you should cover your nose or mouth, whatever it is, with your elbow, right? So both are bad habits and unclean habits. So we can cross there, right? Finished, everyone? Yes. Next here are some facts on personal hygiene. I will read here. Keep your fingers, children, where I am reading. What is the first one? What are germs? What are germs, children? Germs are everywhere. Germs are so small that you cannot see them. Next, a few germs can make you sick. You can get rid of germs by washing your hands. Okay? So again I will read about germs. What are germs here? What are germs? Germs are everywhere. Germs are so small that you cannot see them. A few germs can make you sick. You can get rid of germs by washing your hands. I already told you children, germs are everywhere. Germs are so small and tiny particles, right? That you cannot see them. A few germs can make you sick. You can get rid of germs by washing your hands. We can get rid of germs by washing them with soap and water, right? That is about germs. Next, how to wash your hands. Here he gave how to wash your hands. Keep your fingers children where I am reading. Use clean running water and soap whenever possible. What you have to do? Use clean running water and soap whenever possible. Right? Next, rub hands together for at least 45 seconds. I already told you children. So at least 45 seconds we have to rub the hands with soap. Next, scrub underneath the fingernails. We have to scrub underneath and fingernails. So I already told you while teaching the lesson how to do the hand wash, right? Underneath each and every finger we have to scrub, right? Next, rinse hands and then dry them. So what you have to do, you have to rinse the hands and you have to dry them with a dry cloth, right? Next, again I will read, keep your fingers where I am reading. How to wash your hands. Use clean running water. Rub hands together for at least 45 seconds. Scrub underneath the fingernails. Rinse hands and then dry them. Next, when to wash your hands. So this is also very important children. We should know when to wash our hands. Right? See, after you use the toilet, I already told you after using toilets, we should do the hand wash. Next, before you eat or touch food. After you play with animals. Before you touch your face. After you play. Right? Again I will read. You have to keep your fingers where I am reading. I already told you when to do your hand wash, right? After you use the toilet, whenever you went for the toilets, you have to do the hand wash. Right children? Yes. Next one. Before you eat or touch food, before you are going to touch the food or before you are going to eat, you should do the hand wash. Next, after you play with animals, after playing with your pet animals, if any pet animals are there in your house, what you have to do? You have to do the hand wash. Next, before you touch your face, before you are going to touch your face, you should wash your hands. Next, after you play, after finishing your playing, you have to do the hand wash. All of you understand children? What are germs, how to wash your hands and when to wash your hands. Finished. Next 11.3. 11.3 what he gave? Unscramble the letters using the clue. Write the correct word in the blank. He gave some unscrambled words. We have to write it in order, right? What is the first one? What he gave? M, G, S, E, R. Right? He gave the clue. What it is? These may make you sick. These may make you sick. What is the answer? Write this word in a correct order. Which one makes you sick, children? Yes. M is there, G is there, S is there, E, R. So what it is? Correct word. Which one makes you sick? We already discussed. What are those? Germs. What are those? Germs. Germs. Right? Write down here in this blank. Germs. Germs. Next. Second one. Finished all of you? Write down with good handwriting only, children. Otherwise, you can pause the video then write down. Second one. T R W A E. He gave the clue. You wash hands. You wash hands with this. With this. With what you are washing your hands? Tell me, children. Yes. Write it in a correct order. T-R-W-A-E. You wash hands with this. With what we are washing our hands? Is it soap? No. Or what it is? S is not there. So what it is? Still what we are using to wash our hands? Soap and water. We use water to wash our hands. So what is the correct order? W-A-T-E-R. Am I right, children? Right. So here what you have to write? W-A-T-E-R. For hand wash, what we will use? Soap and water. Here there is no S letter. So W is there, water we will use. So correct order is water. W-A-T-E-R. Right? Finish it fast, children. Otherwise you can pause the video. Then write down. Pause the video, then write down. Write down with good handwriting only. Right? Third one. P-O-A-S. Right? This helps wash away germs. This helps wash away germs. So which one removes germs? If you want to get rid of germs, what we have to do? We have to do the hand wash. With what we have to do the hand wash? What we are using here? What is this? This helps wash away germs. Wash away germs. So what it is, children? Yes, what we will use, it is nothing but soap. What is the correct order of soap? S-O-A-P. So write down, children, here in this blank. S-O-A-P. Soap. Write it neatly with good handwriting only, children. Otherwise, you can pause the video, then write down. Finish it. Then we will go for the next one. Finished? Right. Next, fourth one. S-E-A-S-I-D-E. What is the clue he gave? Germs can cause this. Germs can cause germs can cause this. So germs causes illness, sickness. Still what are there? Germs can cause the disease. So here sickness, SIC will be there. So sickness is not the correct answer. And the germs can cause this illness, right? So ILL not there, L is not there. And still what germs can cause? Disease, right? So search for disease. D is there. DISEASE, disease, correct? So we can write disease here in this blank. Write it with correct order, children. DISEASE, disease. Next, fifth one. TLEHAHY. What is the clue he gave? Washing your hands can keep you dash. Washing your hands can keep you dash. Washing hands can keep you clean. Right, search for clean. See, you can observe, see. No, clean is not a correct answer. Still what you can, washing your hands can keep you. Very good, keep you clean and healthy. Clean is not there. And healthy, coming to healthy, here we can build the word healthy here. HEALTHY. Healthy, very good. Washing your hands can keep you healthy. Write down, children. HEALTHY. Healthy. Write down, children. Write down fast. Otherwise you can pause the video then write down. But write down with good handwriting only. Finished? Yes. This is about our lesson, keeping yourself clean and healthy. Right, children? Finish your little thinker part and read about germs, how to wash your hands and when to wash your hands. Right? Finish your little thinker part, children. Whatever we discussed today. Right? In the next video, we will start a new lesson. Thank you, children. Bye-bye.